Do you have small trees? Small trees need to be pruned properly so that they can grow up and be healthy trees. With a snip snip here and a snip snip there. Here a snip, there a snip, everywhere a snip snip. That's how we prune. Today's mission was a pruning mission. Just had to clean these trees up, make sure lawnmower could get underneath them, take out some dead branches. There was a couple of them that had some branches that were broken from the windstorm we had the other day. We got all of these trees pruned up, cleaned up, looking real nice. Got a couple more in the front yet, but we're starting to look pretty good. Cleaned up a couple crabapple trees up here and another river birch. Cleaned up an amber maple up here and another river birch, and that's it.